Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to export codes from Google AI Studio. So friends, all you have to do, go to this section build, click on the build. As you can see here, you have different options here. Click your apps. So friends, if you have created any app, you can click create a new app. This is for example, and right need random apps for gym, for example. This is for prompts. Click build, and then you will see your codes. As you can see here, this is your codes be analyzed and you can get your codes. So friends, after get your JSON codes, index, HTML, this is your type of codes. Just click this option, download your app, click download, and then you can save to Google Drive. Also just click this icon, as you can see here, click download. Just await to loading your apps from here. This my app was downloaded successfully. Export. So friends, this is how you can do. I have this guide for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this